Good morning, everybody. What a mess from the rain the other day, and it just gets better. Penelope! You see Dallas with the feed bucket? You thinking you got food, huh? She run over there to follow you. All the ducks, the chickens, or shall we say the roosters, to be specific. They all run thinking Dallas is going to take care of them. Hello, Penelope. Good morning, darling. Can you say hi to everybody? Penelope, can you say hi? Say good morning, everybody. Hey, Penelope. Come here, Penelope. Come here, darling. Say, oh, let's see. Come here, Penelope. You hungry, huh, sweet baby?